What if I told you there's a way to make your capital gains tax-free? Most people use an SWP, which stands for Systematic Withdrawal Plan, but the smartest people use IDCW, which stands for Income Distribution Cum Capital Withdrawal. See, when you set up an SWP, you're telling the fund to sell your units every month. Every time those units are sold, there is a redemption and it causes a capital gains tax. This can be 20% if it's less than 12 months or 12.5% if it's more than 12 months. But with IDCW, instead of you selling the units, the fund house distributes the units on its own. This classifies not as a capital gains but instead as income from other sources. As per Union Budget 2026, income up to 12 lakhs is completely tax-free. In practice, these funds distribute up to 0.5% to 0.8% of the NAV monthly, which means that if you have a 1.5 CR corpus, it could mean up to 9 to 12 lakhs in yearly payouts that are potentially tax-free. Before you jump in, remember there are 3 key parameters. First, it is not guaranteed. Unlike SWP, where you decide how much money you want each month, IDCW payouts depend on the fund house's decision. Second, the payouts you receive are not extra profit. They are paid from the value of your investment. And lastly, watch out for TDS. If your payout exceeds 10,000, the fund house will cut a 10% TDS. However, you can claim it back when you file your ITR. So this means that if you're an investor with less than 12 lakhs of annual income, you can leverage IDCW funds to receive payouts that are effectively tax-free.